Hey guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's cocktail is a basil citrus smash. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, that way you won't miss out on any videos. Well, this cocktail actually came, it's not my idea, I just made it keto, which is the whole purpose of this video, is to make sugary cocktails keto friendly. This particular recipe came from the website of the gin that we're using today, and I'm excited about this. This is a new one, and it is a small batch gin made in Ireland, and this one is called Mermaid Zest. Is that bottle not gorgeous? Now, when you smell it, I'm telling you, I am going, for those of you that are going, Darlene, you keep trying to get me turned on to gin. Yes, I do. This smells divine. It will have hints of lemon, hence the zest. Smells so fresh, so citrusy, so light. So I feel like it's perfect for summer. I did say it was basil, so fresh basil, and I have it right here. I grow basil and mint, some basil leaves, a whole bunch of basil leaves, a simple syrup. Now you guys know the way I make simple syrup. If you don't know by now, it is equal parts monk fruit sugar or a sugar substitute of your choice, equal parts sugar or water. Just bring it to a simmer. It'll start out cloudy, it'll go clear. Once it's clear, it's done. It's that simple. Fresh lemon juice. I like mine with a little bit of pulp in it. Not a lot, but a little bit for sure. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna muddle some basil. All right, handful of basil in whatever cute cup that you want, and all I'm gonna do is muddle this up. So I am just literally going to just break it up, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of the simple syrup, and all I'm wanting is the flavor of the basil. Flavoring the glass, because we're gonna use this glass, but we're not leaving the basil in there. I'm going to then pour this into a shaker. Do 2 ounces of the gin, 1 ounce of lemon juice, there we go, 1 ounce of keto simple syrup, and we are going to shake. Oh, it's good. It's so pretty. All right, so I also have ice. I have Garnish, because we're gonna garnish. I'm going to just fill my glass with ice, and then I always have to have a special ice. That's just me. Now I make these ones, I actually make them for the bee's knees, but I also make them just for like water. It is the cutest little bee motif. It's got lemon in it, lemon juice, fresh squeezed lemon juice, and then water. So of course that's a great garnish. And we're gonna pour it right over top. Perfect. We're gonna garnish with some pretty basil. We'll have a little floating one there too. Why not? And then a little zest of lemon. As well. And how beautiful is that, you guys? All right, let's give it a try. That is so refreshing. It is so good. I'm telling you. Trust me, y'all. Trust me. You cannot go wrong with this gin. This is such a beautiful citrusy gin, and if you like citrusy cocktails, refreshing cocktails for the summer, light, not heavy, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous gin. And this cocktail, beautiful. Now, if you really, really want that more herbaceous taste, then what I would do is pour some of the basil that you have in here and just put a little in the cocktail. It's so good. You cannot go wrong. All right, you guys, well, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this cocktail. I hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys.